Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to restore an old worn down sharpening stone. Doesn't matter if it's one you found in your grandparents' garage or one that you got cheap on a flea market. It's a great way to bring an old sharpening stone back to life, and it's not even that complicated or expensive. So let's get right into it. So let's get to the tools. We're gonna need these diamond lapping stones. They are 7 by 25 centimeters large and cost around 30 euros with two different grid sides, but don't pay attention to the actual numbers, it's just made up from them. But these are, in my opinion, the easiest way to get these to work because they don't actually wear down like the silicon carbide based flattening stones, because this will always keep its shape no matter what. So let's get to work and we'll see us on the kitchen sink. Now let's get right to the flattening. As you can see, I've drawn some Sharpie lines on it to make it easier for you to see the progress. Then I'm gonna put this stone on my kitchen sink, let some water run onto it and then give it a few passes. Here you can see we are starting to make some progress. Now just continue until we are flat all the way. As you can see, I think this looks pretty damn good. So now that we're finished, you can see that the results are pretty good and it's very straightforward and not very difficult to do. However, it's very messy. As you can see here, you have to make sure that you can soil the brace wherever you're doing this, because if this gets on like cloth or on a couch or whatever, on your clothing, it's very hard to get out. But other than that, it's very easy. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.